Hey, this is Mike from Gear Talk, talking gear. Today we're going to be unboxing the all-new MV7i from Shure. Let's check it out. Cool, so let's see what's inside the box. Great. So right away you're greeted with a little welcome message. It says, "Welcome to better sound." I like that. All right. So inside the box, let's see what we got here. Cool. So right away, you've got a little download link. This product uses an app either on desktop or on mobile. It's called the Motive app. Right below that, you've got a little quick start guide. Get you all the need to know information, get you going. Of course, we've got the microphone itself. Very cool. Like that. It's got a little light bar across there. That's pretty cool. Set that guy right there. Then we've got a little thread adapter for your mic stand. That's great. And then under here, we've got a USB-C to USB-C cable. Very cool. Great, so now that we've seen what's inside the box, let's take a look at the mic itself. So earlier this year, Shure launched a product called the MV7 Plus, which looks almost identical to this guy. But Shure realized that a lot of times people want to record more than just one microphone at a time, right? So let's say you're doing a podcast or things like that, but you want to bring on a talent. You want to bring on maybe something else, maybe a guitar, maybe a bass, a keyboard, a backing track, any of those things. You couldn't really do that easily if you're just using a single USB mic. So why not make the USB mic also the input source for an additional source? Very cool. So if you look at the back here, what Shure did was they took what used to be the output on an MV7 Plus and turned it into an input. So it's actually a combo input here. So you can plug in a guitar, bass, keyboard, audio track, or another microphone. And then you also have a headphone jack for real-time monitoring, and then just a simple USB-C port for easy connections to a mobile device or your computer or anything like that. Idea being, this is a characteristic of the Motive line entirely, that wherever the moment strikes, wherever that spontaneity of creativity exists, you can capture it professionally with one of these. So some other nice features you get, that preamp also can do up to 60 dB of gain, which is huge. So if you want to use something like a SM7B or an SM7DB, you can actually use that with this input. It'll also support phantom power, 48 volt, all supplied from the device it's plugged into. So let's take a look. Let's plug one of these in and take a look at some of the other features you get with the mic. Okay, so to show you some of the added functionality you get with the microphone, we've dimmed the lights in here just to show you some of the cool things you get on the LED touch strip here. So just to run you through what we've put together, we have a simple setup. This would be like a 2-microphone setup if you're going to do like a podcast style capture, audio capture. So what I've got plugged in here is an SM7DB that's going XLR out into the input of the MV7i, out of that via USB-C cable directly into the computer. Similarly, you could do it with a tablet or a phone and capture exactly the same content. So something that's kind of cool, you'll see on the microphone itself, you see there's an LED meter spiking here. So if I tap on the microphone, you see one side of the LED meter is actually spiking. If I tap on this one, you see the other side is spiking. So if I touch just this side, right now that zone is muted. If I touch on this side, now this one is muted. So really cool. You get some light feedback and some functionality built into the touch strip, which by the way, you can customize, change how the dynamic effect looks. You can also change the colors, which is just like a second kind of cool. I think it's really cool personally. I like blue, so I would make mine blue, but everybody's different. So you'll find your own creative aspect to, play with that as well. So there's a whole lot more under the hood too, but just to give you a taste of what you can get out of this mic, there you go. So there's a quick overview and unboxing of the new MV7i from Shure. So feel free to reach out to us here at GearTech if you have any questions about the mic, or if you want to find a local dealer that has one in stock, or if you're looking for a demo on the mic, we're happy to do any of that for you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.